Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got to work and I decided I am going to take you guys along the journey of me finding my apartment in Harlem. It's all that's on my mind. Like, I just want to find an apartment. Like, it's exciting, but it's also like overwhelming. Definitely not in a bad way. But as you guys, or some of you guys know, like, finding an apartment can be stressful for those who are very indecisive, like myself. I'm super indecisive. Like, if there's a lot of choices in front of me, I just get anxiety and I don't know what to do with myself. Luckily, I have my boyfriend helping me out with a decision of like which apartment that we're going to end up with. But overall, I've been getting a lot of help from Street Easy. No, this video is not sponsored. Like, Street Easy is one of the best apps to search for your apartments. So that's what I've been doing. Also Zillow. I think I looked at like a few apartments on Zillow. But yeah, I saw my first apartment last night and I was thinking about filming then, but I just got like really nervous. For some reason, I don't know. I just got like so nervous and I just like walked right in. I will show you like a few clips of what that apartment looked like. But overall, I'm looking for a 2-bedroom apartment with like a washer and dryer at least in the building. In the unit would be perfect. We're looking to move November 1st and it's currently October 11th. I wanted to take you on this journey with me and just like update you guys on the progress that I'm making and just show you like what's out there in Harlem specifically for those of you who are interested. This is my outfit of the day, by the way. None of you asked, but I'm showing you. I just have on this vintage t-shirt, this red Scully, and this men's H&M jacket that I got a long time ago from like one of my exes. I stole it because I thought it looked better on me. And these are some vintage Levi's. And I paired it with my New Balance. Oh, and this is a vintage belt. I still have in my box braids. They're kind of like done already. You see it's like super fuzzy. But anyway, I am going to continue looking on Street Easy for my 2-bedroom apartment. And I guess like this is just the beginning. Like, I want to show you guys how I decorate and how everything just comes together, and just like rituals I'll be doing in my new apartment. So excited. Stay tuned. Also, by the way, I wanted to let you know why I'm choosing Harlem, because I definitely wanted to move to Brooklyn. First of all, I wanted to move to California, but me and my boyfriend settled on moving to New York. Well, he lives in California, so he's moving to New York for about 2 years. But yeah, we're moving to Harlem because it's more convenient for me, and like I'll be able to like transfer Nova back and forth easily instead of like Brooklyn commute. That would be crazy. So yeah, that's that explanation. Hey guys, so well, first of all, today is October 12th. I am all booked today for apartment hunting. I have about 4 apartments that I am going to look at today, and literally it's like a back and forth thing. One is on the west side, one is on the east side, and then one is on the west side, one is on the east side. So I'll be running around today. Hopefully I'll be done by like 12:30 p.m. It is currently 9:33 a.m. and my first appointment is at 10, so I should get going. But I'm really excited to see these apartments. I just want to be able to choose an apartment by tomorrow and get the application process started so that I'm able to move in by November 1st. I am not too sure how long the application process takes, but we will see. Come along with me to see these Harlem apartments. I'm so excited, guys. I need some good music. I need to zone out right now. BRB. Okay guys, so I just saw 3 apartments in this one community, and as you can see, they were pretty small, and the area is kind of far from like my support system. But we're about to see another one. Okay, I gotta get directions.
In the middle lane.
So yeah, I'm really hoping this one on the east side is good.
In 900 feet,
Ooh,
turn left onto West 142nd Street.
I'm really hoping the one on the east side is good because that's where like my support system is, and I'm running late because I didn't know I was seeing 3 apartments. I thought I was just seeing 1, but I already texted the person showing me the apartment. I just hate being late. Like, it makes me get anxiety.
Go past this light, then at the...
Morning. So I am so overwhelmed by all the apartments I've recently seen. I kind of feel like they aren't the ones. Like, I want to feel, I don't know, like I just want to walk in and imagine myself in there and feeling great and feeling productive and like so indecisive, guys. It's hard. Sorry, I look probably crusty because I did not shower yet and I just woke up. So here's my planner. Today is the 13th, October 13th, and I do have an appointment at 2, I believe. So I kind of want to start everything like after that, so I don't have to leave my house anytime soon. It's 11:14 a.m. right now, so I'm just gonna schedule every appointment in like I did for my other ones. And it was so like, I love the way I scheduled it for yesterday, because literally it was a 10 a.m. appointment, 10:30 a.m. appointment, 11 a.m. appointment, and then a 12 p.m. appointment. So that was just like, I got it done like this. I was late to like 2, but you know, they forgave me. But I just really want the perfect apartment for me, Nova, and Danny. It's going to be a new journey for all of us, and I'm really excited. A new year is amongst us. 2021, you know, 2020 has been ridiculous, so I know a lot of people are hoping 2021 kind of feels a little different, even though like you can't really count on a new year to be like a new start. You can start whenever you want. Like, you can start right now if you want to renew yourself, renew anything in your life, or start something. You don't have to wait for the new year. But anyway, I'm gonna schedule all of my appointments in, and I'll be showing you more apartments today. So I have not been vlogging about this moving process. It's been maybe like a week, and what is today? Today is Tuesday the 20th, October 20th. So I think you saw like the last day that I was looking at apartments, and there were only like 2 days that I was looking for apartments, and I'm so excited to tell you guys that I chose one of the apartments that I saw on the second day that I was looking at apartments, and I'm so excited. I'm so worn out. I'm exhausted, a little overwhelmed. The signing process was not so easy, just like getting all of the paperwork together, and just like the back and forth, and oh, you're missing this paper, oh, we need this, and blah blah blah, and like me just wanting to get approved so bad, just so like I could know that I have the apartment that I wanted the most before anyone else got it, was super stressful. and today I finally signed the lease. So I'm super excited and I can't wait to show you guys the apartment. I'm moving in a little bit before November 1st, so maybe like October 26th maybe. I go to pick up my keys from the landlord tomorrow, and when I pick up the keys I will give you guys a mini empty house tour. Thumbnail? If you guys have any other questions about the move-in process, please let me know. I don't think I really went over everything because honestly guys, it was very stressful for me to do all by myself. I didn't mind doing it by myself at all. It was just like I work full-time, so on my 2 days off, like 2 weeks in a row I spent it on apartment hunting. I should have made like a spreadsheet honestly when applying for all of these apartments because it just gets too crazy. My emails got super crazy. I wasn't responding back to people that had showed me apartments and I felt bad, but I was just like too stressed out. So yeah, I would recommend making like a spreadsheet before even starting to apply for apartments. I used Street Easy and yeah, I found my place. I saw about, I would say like 10 places, and when I saw this one, this is the last place that I saw, and when I saw this one I was like, okay, I know I want this one, and I immediately started applying for it with like all of my paperwork and stuff. And it took about a week to get approved because they just kept saying, oh, we need this document, we need this, we need that, we need this, and la 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 la. And I was getting so much anxiety because I knew I really wanted this place, and I kind of felt like I wasn't gonna get it at one point, and then I was like, no, I'm getting this place. Like, it's meant for me. I like this neighborhood, and I actually grew up in this neighborhood back in the day. So I'm moving back from Pelham Bay, which is in the Bronx, to Harlem. It's closer to my job, and it's closer to my support system for Nova. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.